Check it out. Are you ready to add wireless and wired Android Auto and CarPlay to your factory 2017 to 19 Nissan Pathfinder screen? This is it, the Hamilton Upgrade Kit, a powerful box designed by Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina that adds CarPlay and Android Auto functionality right onto your original screen. We're going to have a full installation video. This system is touchscreen. It also works with your original knob. Today, I'm going to show you quickly the features of Android Auto, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how to pair and set it up. Shifting to reverse will still bring up your factory reverse and 360 cameras. This system is going to support any vehicle that had factory navigation. You want to make sure that your factory system had maps like this. Long holding the back button for 3 seconds is how you switch between the original system and Android Auto or CarPlay. No matter whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and cover art. This system uses your factory Bluetooth, meaning it will preserve your original audio quality as well as your microphone for phone calls. I can adjust the volume using my steering wheel controls or skip songs, and we'll show you at the end of the video how to set up that music. Any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. So whether it's a navigation app, a music app, or otherwise, it's going to make your car feel new. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. Long holding this back button switches us between the original system and the Hamilton system. Let's start here on the Hamilton system and we'll pair Android Auto. Go ahead and pull out your phone, settings, connected devices, pair a new device. We're going to look for a device starting with Hamilton. If you've never used Android Auto before, you may need to search it up in the Google Play Store and approve the terms and conditions. We'll do allow to access contacts and apps and wait while it connects. Now give it a few moments the first time and you'll see Android Auto starting to automatically open. We're not done yet. This system is going to use your original audio. We need to pair it to your factory Bluetooth if it has not been already. Long hold that back button. Come to Settings, Bluetooth, Connect a Device, Add New. Now pull out your phone and tap Pair a New Device and wait until you see your Infinity car appear. It'll be named My Car. Make sure access to call history and contacts is turned on and touch Pair. Now give it about 30 seconds for the Infinity to initialize and show completed. And now your phone is paired to the Infinity network. We need to come here to audio and make sure the car audio mode is set to Bluetooth. We can now long hold the back button and come back to Android Auto and we're ready to play music. As one final important note, on the Hamilton underlying system here, which we access by touching exit, we want to make sure in Settings, System, Use Car's Bluetooth channel is turned on. It's very important for this setting to be turned on to let the Hamilton Upgrade Kit know that we're using the factory Bluetooth for audio. And there it is, wireless Android Auto. If you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to check out our help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We also have North Carolina-based tech support at 919-858-2890. Check out all details of this product on hamiltonmotorcompany.com. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.